Welcome to another powerful episode of Silent Truth on the Holistic Approach. We have spent this series pulling back the curtain on a truth that everyone knows, but few dare to speak. We have seen how the ancient languages of Doshas, Miasms, and Meridians are being replaced by the silent language of barcodes and ready-made formulas. The gap is real. On one side, we have the sacred, complex theories of our founders, systems designed to treat the soul, the life force, and the unique constitution. On the other side, we have a market that demands speed, standardization, and a pill for every ill. We must acknowledge this. Most practitioners today are practicing a natural allopathy. They use holistic tools, but with a pharmaceutical mindset. They treat the name of the disease, not the nature of the person. This is not because they are bad practitioners. It is because the bridge between theory and reality has collapsed. Today, we begin the work of rebuilding it. The solution is not to throw away modern products. We live in a fast-moving world, and ready-made formulas have their place. But the secret to rebuilding the bridge lies in how we use them. We must return to a simple rule. The diagnosis must always be deeper than the prescription. If you use a single or complex formula for anxiety, you must first ask, is this anxiety a result of vata imbalance? Is it a psoric miasm? Is it a liver key stagnation? I have a formula that can help your symptoms quickly. But before we use it, I need to understand why your specific life force is reacting this way. Otherwise, we are just painting over a crack in the wall. Integration means making the product serve the theory, not the other way around. If a ready-made product doesn't fit the patient's constitution, a true practitioner has the courage not to use it. They don't let the marketing on the bottle dictate their clinical wisdom. Many practitioners choose the short way because they are afraid that the long way, the deep analysis, takes too much time, afraid that the patient won't pay for thinking, only for products. But here is the irony. The short way is actually the longest path. When you treat only the symptoms, the patient returns again and again, never truly healed, and eventually they lose faith in the system. The long way, the deep, principled approach, is the only path to lasting results. When you match the remedy to the soul and the constitution, you trigger a healing response that no vitamin-mineral combo can achieve on its own. To the practitioners listening, your value is not in the products you sell. Your value is in your ability to perceive the invisible. Do not trade your diagnostic site for a retail commission. Reclaim the confidence to be a philosopher healer. The future of holistic medicine does not depend on better manufacturing. It depends on better thinking. We are at a crossroads. We can continue down the path of commercialized healing, where our great traditions become nothing more than marketing labels for supplements. Or we can choose the path of the honest return. Imagine a world where the practitioner is a master of their principle, where the product is secondary to the philosophy, where the body-mind-soul approach isn't a slogan on a website, but a living reality in the consultation room. This series was just the beginning. The silent truth has been spoken. Now the silence is over. It is time to practice with honesty. It is time to lead with purity. It is time to return to the clarity of our founders. Let us all grow honestly. Let us all return to clarity. The healing starts now. Are you ready to practice the long way? Share your thoughts on how we can bridge the gap in the comments below. Let's build this future together. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing standout content.